How to create a Gmail account without a phone number 2026. Are you trying to set up a new Gmail account but getting stuck at the phone verification screen? Maybe you've already reached the limit on your current number, or you just want to keep your personal data private. While Google has tightened its security in 2026, there is still a perfectly legal and official way to create an account while skipping the phone requirement. In this tutorial, I'll show you the mobile settings method that bypasses the standard desktop browser restrictions. The reason this works is that Google's mobile setup process is designed to be user-friendly for people who might be setting up a phone for the first time. By using your device's built-in account manager rather than a web browser, you are much more likely to see the skip option for phone verification. Step 1. Open your Android or iOS device and go to the Settings app. Do not use the Gmail app or a browser for this. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Accounts or Users and Accounts. On some devices, you may need to tap Google directly. Step 3. Tap on Add Account at the bottom of the list and then select Google from the options. You'll likely be asked to verify your identity with your phone's passcode or fingerprint. Step 4. On the sign-in screen, tap Create Account in the bottom left corner and choose For My Personal Use. Step 5. Enter your name and basic information as prompted. When you reach the screen that asks Add Phone Number, scroll all the way to the bottom. If you follow these steps on a mobile device, you should see a skip button in the bottom left. Tap it. Step 6. Review your account info, agree to the privacy and terms, and your new Gmail is ready to use. Here is an expert pro tip. While you can skip the phone number now, it is highly recommended to add a recovery email immediately. Since you aren't using a phone number, a recovery email is the only way to get back into your account if you ever forget your password. By using your phone's native account settings, you've successfully created a new Gmail without needing a spare SIM card. If this helped you get your new account running, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech workarounds.